This is Rolling Loud Orlando 2026. For 3 days, Camping World Stadium stops feeling like a stadium and starts feeling like the center of rap's digital universe. Running May 8th through May 10th in Orlando, Florida, Rolling Loud returns with the kind of lineup designed to shake phone speakers, live stream algorithms, and probably several nearby parking structures. What started years ago as a Miami-born hip-hop festival has evolved into one of the most influential live music brands on the planet, a place where internet rap becomes real life at full volume. This festival matters because Rolling Loud doesn't just book artists, it captures moments. Careers shift here. Underground acts become tomorrow's headliners here. Entire fashion trends, slang cycles, and social media waves often leave this festival and spread across the internet within hours. Camping World Stadium transforms into a neon-heavy collision of bass, mosh pits, LED visuals, designer streetwear, rage beats, and non-stop crowd energy. One stage erupts while another artist is already trending online before the set even finishes. That's the ecosystem now. And yes, some people attend Rolling Loud for the music. Others attend because this is basically the annual convention for chaos, fashion, and unforgettable stories. Whether you're showing up for the headliners, the underground discoveries, the crowd atmosphere, or simply to witness modern hip-hop culture operating at maximum intensity, Rolling Loud Orlando 2026 is designed to feel larger than life.